Hello, I'm going to share just another quick tutorial on the spirit chain. There's some other ways that I bling these up or add personality to them. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know I did a video showing how to add this to it, and I also did a video on the spirit chain itself. And this is not the original spirit chain. This one is using 3 different ribbons, so it makes these cute little triangular shapes inside there. So on this one, I added some iridescent ribbon throughout. I haven't attached it yet, but I just wanted to show you what that looks like. So as you can see, it just, here's the plain one, and that's fine. It's fine to use it like that, but with girls, they like bling, they like personality, so there you go. There's one way. I also have all these little stones, and I have orange and black ones, which I found at Halloween, so those are great. So I could go through and also add some black ones on top of the orange, or orange on top of the black, or just do that on this one, like, every so often. I might do that on the end. So let me show you how I do this with these ribbons. It's very, very simple. So I've got some different ribbons I can show you. These are satins, and those say number 1s. This one's just little footballs, and these are cheap little ribbons, easy to find. Here's some orange and black, and then here's the orange and white. And this is a gross grain here. The trick is you want to use a ribbon that is not as wide as the ribbon used on the chain. And I do this with all my spirit chains and with my victory braids. It's just really simple to add a little something to it. So all you do is just go to the top, and you just take this ribbon and weave it down through there underneath the top 2 ribbons. So you just want it directly on top of the bottom ribbon, which is the black ribbon on this one. So that would be the look you would get if you use that one. It's a lot easier to use these really thin ribbons because they will go through a lot quicker, as you can see. Like I said, just make sure it's going under both of them. Sometimes it wants to go above one, like right there. And then I just take it all the way down. And then all I would do is pull that up right there and then add a little hot glue. Well, it's not gonna be as easy on this one. So you could put the hot glue down there and just stick it down in there, or you can just staple it right there. And since I have all these staples, I'd probably just staple it. It would be easier. Since those 2 ribbons are so close together, it'd be hard to get it in there with the hot glue. And I would end up covering this section anyway. I would probably do like a little tinsel puff, or feathers, or a trinket, or a bow, or something right there. So you wouldn't have to worry about this showing anyway. But as you can see, that just spruces up your braids. It gives it more personality. And if you use the footballs, for football players. So again, I've stapled that. I don't know if you can see that. It's stapled right there. So I can't run it through there. I'd have to unstaple it if I wanted it up that far. But that should be covered anyway, so it really doesn't matter for this top part. Once you get all that put together. So again, I'm just weaving that through underneath. Sometimes they want to get stuck. So just got to help it along. Like that. And this side would be easier to glue because there's a bigger space there, but still you'd have to be careful. You want to go like that and then glue it. But you can see that just adds a little something, and you could adjust that to make sure that more footballs are being shown. It's just cute. I mean, really, really cute thing to do with the braids. Like I say, I do this with a lot of the spirit chains and the victory braids. And I will mix and match a bunch of ribbons But instead of trying to weave in some of these pattern ribbons throughout there, it's just really simple just to weave it underneath and you can see it. And let me look how cute that is with that one and that one together. I think I'll leave that one in there. I think I will use this one. I think I got this ribbon at Michael's, this orange and black one, during Halloween. And this #1 ribbon I got at Hobby Lobby in the scrapbooking section. They have these little rolls of ribbon, and there's some really cute ones. They have the #1. I think they have one that says Go Team that has the megaphones on it, and some ones that say Homecoming. So, and they're really cute and cheap, so they're easy to use. And the football one I got from Hobby Lobby also, but this is in the sewing department. And this one, that was from Michael's too as well. Okay, see how cute that looks. I really like that, so I'll probably keep that. And what I'll do is just, like I said, I want to make sure it's centered, but I'll just go ahead and staple that one in there. Get a couple of staples, and normally I would hot glue that one, but I'm just going to staple that one as well. And then trim it off where I don't need it. And it'll just fit right, should fit right under there. And I can give it a little hot glue like right there. So just kind of hot glue right there, like that. And then put the rest of that in there, up under there. Now it's not going to go anywhere, it's stuck there. Stapled on that side and hot glued on that side. And again, I can just hot glue that one. Like that. Now it won't come out. It's going to stay where it is. Looks like. And then again, I can go through here with these and put, you know, some orange and black, or just one of them. Could do them all orange on one side like that, and the black ones on the other side. Oops. Guess I can do that on the orange like that. Or I could go through and put the orange on top of the white like that. And it just adds a little bit extra, but if I use that on a boy's, I wouldn't want to put all these gemstones on there. I definitely just want to leave it like that, and then I could still glue, you know, a trinket here, a couple of trinkets, trinket down here, whatever. I can show you real quick what it would look like with the tinsel. Here's some cheap tinsel right here. This is just the 98-cent tinsel you can find anywhere. Just cut off a little section of that. And just roll it into kind of a ball like that. And then I would just take it like this and give it a staple or two. Like that. And you can make it bigger than that. This tinsel is kind of small, but if you use the bigger tinsel, like this, then you only need a really small section, and it would be like that. But these look great. They look like little starburst or something, the little ones. So just whatever you like, but that's a simple way to glam up your mums to make them look different. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.